instantly floating in the air. Such unexpected sight, how welcome here this winter's night. Ancient leather suitcase full of knitted clothes, we plunder once a year cozy. Woolen jumpers tucked in tightly over many, many layers, wrapped up from head to toe, no part besides from eyes exposed. Racing down the stairs, across the hall and out the door, skidding recklessly and crashing to the frosty floor. We close our eyes to take us to this very place. When you least expect, the answer stares you in the face. I was born nearby, yeah, I was born nearby. The car park, past a broken fence, our footprints on the close clutching to the sleigh string. Every 20 yards the snow needs emptying. We take it in turns to ride with one decent sledge out of the five. Hurry down the fairway, every time we try to stand we tumble down softer than a mattress, not a graze when falling head first to the ground. So scarcely seen again until the fox and badgers share their day. But beside the fire the children's let us know we're home. Sugar till the radiators clank and more. We snuggle up, our frozen bodies huddle close. It's often said the kindest things can hurt the most. They expose the bones, they expose the bones, they expose the bones, expose the ball.